The 2018 annual report of American Association of Poison Control Centers National Poison Data System, NPDS, 36th annual report. You can buy this report, but I'll give you a small synopsis of it right here. Here is a synopsis of this, of the top chemicals that are in homes that are reported to poison control. 2 million responded. 2 million. Right here. Exposure cases a year where people were exposed to something. The exposure every 15 seconds in the United States along the 50 states. What are the highest risk? It's not pesticides. It's non-prescription and prescription pain relievers that people are calling in about where they've done it. Look at the over here on this side where the average age, 44% of these cases are children under 5 years old. The next is cleaning substances, cosmetic products, sedative and antipsychotic drugs or antipsychotic drugs, and antidepressants. All cases were single-dose substance exposures, where a child got a hold of one of these and was either poisoned or exposed to it. An exposure, remember, is not poisoning. It's not toxicity, but they accidentally drank the pill. They accidentally took it. They accidentally got it in their mouth. 13% of all exposures, were suicide. When you look at the pesticide death in the U.S., which is 40 to 60, 88% of those people took a pesticide to kill themselves. That's the data. 92% of these cases, look over here. Oh, my bad. 92% of the cases occurred in residencies. 66% of these cases were managed at home where they weren't taken to a doctor. Because that's the Poison Control Center can tell you what to do if a child is poisoned. I'll have links to all this so that you guys can have it, anybody can have it, and verify the data. See, the most dangerous part about handling pesticides is that children have access to it. Children should not have access to any chemical, any substance. Anything should be out of their reach. This is why I'm taking the time to do this. Because it does not matter if it was a pesticide or an aspirin. The fact is that even if the child is safe, even if there is no long-term damage, we don't understand what that ramification is going to have in the future. How an organ can be damaged long-term. It isn't really understood. And this is why everyone needs to treat pesticides, chemicals, oil, gasoline. It doesn't matter, as a dangerous substance and keep it out of reach of children. This is why it says caution and warning, keep out of reach of children. Because we know that this is what happens. Here is the poison data from 2012. I said, let me look back. The data is identical. Nothing has changed. Here is the sad part. Guys, this is where I lose it. We live in the age of Google, where the information is available, yet ignorance abounds in the age of information. You have everything that you need, yet you won't go look for it. You won't read the label. You won't read the information. It says read before applying. And you won't read it. You just simply apply it. You store it anywhere, thinking this stuff is sold over the counter. It has to be safe. There is nothing that is safe. Nothing can be classified as safe.